Real quick before this video starts, I just want to say, guys, I am 4 subscribers away from 180 subscribers. You guys have been killing it recently, so you guys know what to do on that front. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to also let you guys know that I do upload other things, so make sure to go check those out. Anyways, let's get on with the video. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Young Roach, and you clicked on this video because you want to know how to get ducats really fast in Warframe. Well, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it. So the way you actually get ducats, believe it or not, is from void relics. So you're going to want to get as many prime parts as possible. So taking a look at this Axie relic, it's decent because it has plenty of prime parts in there, but it's not ideal because it does have that one chance of getting Forma in there. So if you're just going to go ahead and sell everything, I would recommend doing like a Lith Fisher, say this one right here. This is a Lith B8 relic. As you can see, every single possible thing is a prime part. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and open a Lith relic, go ahead. But yeah, pretty much to get ducats, you're going to want to sell basically prime parts that you're not using. So if you look, Mesa Prime, if I didn't want that, Mirage Prime, if I didn't want that, you can go ahead and pretty much sell all of your prime parts. So yeah, so before we can get anywhere to sell your prime parts, we need to talk about Barow himself. So if you guys don't actually know, there's an NPC in the game called Barow, and pretty much he shows up at the relays once every 2 weeks. So I just thought I'd inform you guys that you will get a notification in your inbox when he's in the relay. And also there are websites to show you when he's back in the relays, so I will link those down in the description. So before we can get into that, we need to actually figure out where to find Barow himself. So where I like to go is I like to head on over to the Earth relay. So just going over to the Earth relay, this is where Barow can be located. Pretty much there will be tons of players just standing around him. You can't miss it. So yeah, this is one location where Barow can be found. The second place where Barow can be found is in the Europa relay. This is also where you're going to go to sell your prime parts for ducats. So heading into the relay, this staircase right here is where you can find Barow. If you're having trouble finding it, just take a little look at my mini-map. But yeah, guys, you can't miss it. There will be tons of players just gathered around right there. So yeah, that is the second place where Barow can be located. So yeah, heading on over to the right or left of that staircase right there, this is where you actually go to sell your prime parts for ducats. So I'm just equipping some random prime parts, and as you can see, sell for 135 ducats right there. If I was to go and equip more stuff, as you can see right here, if I equipped all these things right here and if I wanted to sell them, I could get 180 ducats. So yeah, pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. You just want to basically open up a bunch of relics and just get as many prime parts as you can and sell them in the Europa relay to get ducats, and pretty much just save up your credits, and there you go. That's how you're able to buy stuff from Barow. So yeah, guys, like I said, that is how you do it. Anyways, guys, this has been Young Roach. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys would be so kind as to drop a like or subscribe, it would mean the world to me. I really put a lot of effort and care into these videos to make sure I don't waste your guys' time and I get straight to the point. So if you like that, you guys know what to do. But anyways, this has been Young Roach. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.